Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to delete cart details on Amazon. To start, open and locate your Amazon application in your mobile device. Once you're here, click on Your Account. Now tap on Your Account button. Over here, wait for Amazon to finish loading. Now scroll down. Now go to the section that says Payments. In here, wait for the application to finish loading. Over at Cards and Account, you will now have the option to add a payment method. Since you don't have any payment method saved, in your case, if you already have, you should be able to remove any card details in here from Amazon. For a thorough, detailed explanation, first is you go to Amazon.com and then sign in. And then step 2 is to click your account. And then click Payments or Payment Options. Once there, step 3, click the payment method you want to delete. Click Delete. And then click Confirm Delete. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.